What up, fam? What up, family? Welcome back to my channel. My name is BizMatik, and I'm back with another review for y'all. This time around, we got the animals with "We Gotta Get Out of This Place." This is from 1965, man. I love the animals. I think they are fire. They got such a unique sound, man, and everything I heard from them so far has been like dramatic ass masterpieces. So, I'm not even gonna hold y'all too long. This is a music video, it looks like. So let's go ahead and watch. Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
Introducing the animals.
Okay. Bass. Bass.
In the stereo part of the city where the sun refused to shine, people tell me it ain't no use in trying. My little girl, you're so young and fresh, and one thing I know is true: you're gonna die before your time is due. See my daddy in bed and dying. See his hair turning gray. He's been working and saving his life away. I know as he's been working, yeah, every day, slaving his life away. He's been working, baby. He's been working, work. We gotta get out of this place. If it's the last thing we ever do, we gotta get out of this place. Girl, there's a better life for me and you. Yeah. My little girl, you're so young and pretty, and one thing I know is true: you'll be dead before your time is due. Yes, you will. See my daddy in bed and dying. See his hair been turning gray. He's been working and slaving his life away. Yes, I know. He's been working, yeah. He's been working, yeah. We gotta get out of this place. If it's the last thing we ever do, we gotta get out of this place. Girl, there's a better life for me and you. Oh, baby. We gotta get out of this place. If it's the last thing we ever do, we gotta get out of this place. Girl, there's a better life for me and you. Oh, you know it, baby, and I know it too, baby. Oh, yeah.
Alright, that was cool. Yo, what I like about this song is really the bass line, and I guess the storyline is they live in a place that the girl wouldn't survive. She wouldn't survive. He has an interesting line. He said, "My father invented time. His hair's turning gray." So I guess he's saying like, and he also said like his father, like, you know, worked his life away. Is he saying that like, you know, where they're at, it's like, you know, it's really tough. It's a tough time, you know, and like she wouldn't make it there, so they should run away together, so they could have a better life, you know, not like the life of his father, pretty much. Eric Burden is dope, man. Like this. This song is cool. It's not my favorite from them. Let's get that out the way. It's not my favorite from them. But then again, this version that I'm listening to is poorly mixed. Like, it's poorly mixed. I'm big on production, man, because I spend so much time in the studio, like, so I'm big on production. And I know this was a while ago, but still, like, it should get remastered. But then again, it's the video, so you know. But yeah, cool song. Love the bass line. Like, you know, I'm never disappointed by the instrumentation behind the animals. Yeah, like I said, this is my least favorite song. It was cool. Y'all let me know how you feel about it in the comment section below. Yeah. Will I listen to this again? Yeah, probably. I'm probably gonna look for like the remastered version on Spotify and really listen to it. It's the animals, man. Y'all get second chances, all right? And the song wasn't bad in the first place, so you know. I only have a problem with the mixing, but the bass line on here is top notch, A1. And another thing too, like I said, y'all let me know what's next from the animals. I think right now I'm like 4 songs deep. You know, 4 or 5 songs deep. So y'all let me know what's next from the animals, and I got you. And if you made it this far, you haven't hit that subscribe button or that notification bell yet, this is your chance to do so. Join the squad. We talk music every day here, every single day. I might miss some days. Sometimes I miss a week. Sometimes I miss a year. I would never miss a year. But I'll see y'all in the next one, and guess what? You better be there. Peace.